Shri Shabs Gupta. Thank you, thank you. Last time I was here, I did a little poem. I am not really a poet. I am more into the metaphysical aspects of health and well-being within the body. Ken Kambocha, how are you, my friend? He is very good. Hey,
American Express?
No, American Express? No, 7-Eleven, my friend. We are owning everyone up and down the East Coast, but that is beside the point. Because very soon we will not be selling GMOs in 7-Eleven, so everybody must go and buy from them.
You know them right.
You know that your digestive tract is directly connected to your immune system. You know what the immune system is, right? My pronunciation is not very good. Immune. I-M-M-U-N-E. Immune. It's what makes you very good when you are feeling very bad. It all begins in your mouth. Your mouth is the beginning of your digestive tract, your digestive system. So, what you do is you don't brush your teeth with toothpaste, because toothpaste has fluoride, and fluoride destroys your teeth and the bone in your body. So what you do is get baking soda and brush with that, and peroxide to rinse out. Very good, he is knowing. Yes, but before you do that, you must take what is called oil pulling. Does anybody in here know oil pulling? You take sesame oil or almond oil and put a tablespoon in your mouth as soon as you wake up, before you eat anything or do anything, and you swish. See, like this, look. You swish it around in your mouth for 20 minutes and it will get foamy and white, because inside your tongue, every organ and gland in your body is in your tongue. So when you do that, it pulls the poisons and the toxins and all the bad stuff from inside your body, put it in your mouth, and you spit. You spit it out and rinse your mouth with warm water and soap. Not regular soap, but salty type soap, right? You rinse out your mouth with salt and water, and then you drink some water with lime, and follow that with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, very important for you. It is immune system booster. It gives you energy and charge you up and all that stuff. And all of these things can be purchased right here at Majestical Lips. Here at Majestical Lips, we are into the healthy aspects of life.
Let's start with the cigarette.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Okay. You might, like I say,
Everybody got their cross to bear.
like I tell to everybody, this cigarette is like putting a little dirt on the outside of my hand. I just wash it off. I go inside and get comfrey, mullins and nettles, drink them, and cigarette is gone. So I can smoke cigarette. And next thing, don't judge me